How's it going, everybody? It's Mike from PC Classic Cars, back with another test drive video. This afternoon we are in this restored 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS 350 4-speed. Alright, so again we have a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a factory RS SS. It is a factory Marina Blue with a black top and black interior car. Probably one of my favorite Camaros I've had roll through my shop in a while. Just a really, really cool and really well sorted Camaro. Again, back on the mechanicals, this is a true SS 350 4-speed car. Still retains the Muncie 4-speed, does have a 350 in it. Unfortunately, it is not the numbers matching motor, but it is a period correct 350. So when they restored the car, it probably didn't have the original motor already in it. And they sourced this motor, built it, put it in the car, and it runs extremely well. Again, it is a period correct motor, just not the VIN stamped numbers matching motor to the car. Drivability, if you could go in a time machine and drive a bone stock 67, 68 Camaro, this is what it's going to drive like. It runs down the road fantastic. It's ironed out mechanically. Again, the motor has good power, transmission shifts through the gears well. The clutch engages where you want it to engage. As far as the exhaust goes, it still has factory manifolds on it. It does have aftermarket dual exhaust with a Flowmaster muffler. It is not terribly loud at all. You can definitely have a conversation with the person sitting next to you. You hear the motor, you do hear the exhaust a little bit, but it's very, very minimal, and it's a good exhaust note, just at least my personal preference. You do have power steering, power front disc brakes. Steering steers really easy, and it stops really nice and straight. And again, just mechanically, it's a very well sorted car. We're cruising about 60 miles an hour, 65 miles an hour right now with no problem whatsoever. I don't know exactly what the gear ratio is. If I had to guess, at about 65 miles an hour, we're probably doing right under 3,000 RPMs, maybe 27, 2,800. So it's not terribly wrapped out. You get over 70, you'll probably be turning over 3,000 RPMs. It's a factory 12-bolt rear end. On the interior, it is a factory black bucket seat interior Camaro. The interior is restored and very, very nice. From the headliner, the visors, the dash, the steering wheel, the seat covers, the carpet, floor mats, everything is in excellent shape and shows really, really well. This kind of is a lower option car. It does have the radio delete plate. It does not have the fold down rear seat, which it's kind of cool finding one that doesn't have a lot of options as well. Standard SS 350 steering wheel with the horn button in the center, which works. And this one, as far as the gauges go, you just have your speedometer and your odometer on the left, and you have your fuel gauge on the right, and then you have your dummy lights, which also work. All of your exterior lights are functioning. All the gauges work. The heater works. The only item I have listed as a no would be the washer sprayer fluids for the wipers, but the wipers do work. Oh, excuse me. And then the other thing is there's no reverse lights. They didn't hook up the reverse lights. There's no wiring to it. They got rid of it when they restored the car for whatever reason. So there is no reverse light wiring. And we'll let these cars go so we don't pull out in front of traffic. Again, on the interior, very, very clean. The seats are very comfortable. The foam feels good. Just a really, really nice car, and it's very, very comfortable to drive. The wind noise is at a minimum when you're cruising this car down the road. We'll get on in here a little bit. Just a really, really fun Camaro to drive, and just a really well sorted. Inside the trunk is really, really clean. It's got the mat, the spare, so nothing to really do on the inside of the trunk. On the exterior, it is a factory Marina Blue black top car. Outside of a factory black on black Camaro, the next color that I would pick is probably Marina Blue. I love this color blue. It looks excellent on Camaros. The paint quality is very, very nice. Whoever restored the car did a really good job. Unfortunately, I don't know exactly when the restoration was done, but the paint quality is very nice. A couple very, very small little imperfections and flaws. If you follow our page, you know we do a really, really good job of taking note of all the imperfections on these cars. If you go to my website, pcclassiccars.com, click on the vehicle you're interested in, scroll down to the bottom, there'll be a tab that says additional info. If you click on that, it'll have motor numbers, pictures of the VIN. We'll also have imperfections, so I do my best to make sure my customers know what they're getting into before they buy something. So there'll be a couple little touch-up spots in the paint, a couple small little flaws, but overall the paint quality is very nice. The top looks brand new. The bumpers, the trim, all that stuff's nice. The headlight doors for the RS front end work like they should, and all of the grille looks really, really nice as well. That plastic grille looks good. Do have both side mirrors. Not that you're going to see a whole lot out of those, but they do look good. We'll take it down our bumpy road here. The underneath of this Camaro is super clean and very nice. The floors, the subframe, everything is extremely clean. I found no rust repair, no rust issues. When they restored this car, I believe they started with a really, really good and very clean original car. It's showing 66,000 miles. Very well could be original miles on the car, but no way to know. But judging by how clean this car is, my guess is it very well could be. All of the suspension, the steering, when they restored it, definitely replaced all of those components. Like the rest of it, it's not a brand new, fresh restoration, but everything definitely has been replaced at some point, and it still shows very nice on the bottom side. No weird rattles, no weird sounds coming from the suspension. Again, going off this bumpy road, we're going down the road really nice and straight. It tracks very true to where you're going. 15-inch rally wheels, nice white letter tires. All of your glass looks good. The vent windows open and close like they should. Both the windows roll down. All of the windows roll down. The windshield looks like it's been replaced and is very nice. The back glass probably is original and does have some minor flaws in the back glass, but it's minimal. So overall the glass shows really, really well on this. The rear view mirror is also very clean. Coast to this turn here, and we'll flip around and head on back to the shop. Let y'all hear the exhaust again. Overall feel, this is a really, really cool Camaro. It is a factory RSSS car. It is a factory 350SS 4-speed. Love the color combo. The Marina Blue with the black top and black interior is excellent. If I would do anything to this car, I would add vintage AC, but that is the only thing that I would really want to change. Everything else is really spot on. I love the stance. I love the tire size. Just a great car. This is definitely a car that I would keep for my personal collection. Just a really, really nice Camaro. I also like how well it is sorted mechanically. I usually don't like driving classic cars across the country. I'm used to my my new Denali pickup that's got all the creature comforts, but if I had to hop in an old car, I would not hesitate to drive this car anywhere you want to go. It's just an excellent, excellent driving Camaro. As always, I really appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of my test drive videos. If there's ever anything else that you want to see, don't hesitate to leave a comment on the YouTube channel. You can check us out at pcclassiccars.com. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the new test drive videos or the walk around videos that I do. And we will see you guys on the next test drive video. Thanks again for watching.